Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make negative transition effect on CapCut PC. Alright, I'm just going to add one video to the track and I'm just going to split the clip into some part 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. So this 6 clips and I will to move the clips randomly like so, and I'm just going to add effect, select negative effect, make it shorter, just duration to 100 and make sure put between the clip so here copy paste and make sure between the clip put between the another clip. Sorry. Right, you can see for the laser like so. So this is the final effect you have on your video. This is super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.